Home remedies for migraine relief in just 2 minutes. Migraine can be really frustrating. People who struggle with chronic migraine keep looking for a solution, but not many people reach for all-natural alternatives to their drugs. Luckily, we have the best natural solution for migraines. Try this delicious green juice and headaches will never bother you again. Stress is the root cause of headaches. However, many other factors can cause headaches, including bad posture, poor diet, emotional tension or environmental toxins. Most people often go to the pharmacy and use Tylenol to relieve their headache. We have a much safer solution for you. It will relieve your migraine and target the root cause. This green juice is loaded with calcium and magnesium, the most effective minerals when it comes to preventing and relieving migraines. Green juices are excellent natural remedies for migraines and can help you relieve headaches fast. The reason is because it is easier for the nutrients to reach your bloodstream if you consume the ingredients in liquid form. You will feel some improvement in just a minute. Here is the recipe for one of the most effective natural migraine home remedies. Ingredients: 5 celery stalks, 1 lime, 1 cucumber, 3 to 4 cup leafy greens, spinach and arugula, ginger 2 inches, 1 cup parsley, 2 apples, Granny Smith. Preparation: blend all the ingredients and your green juice is ready for use. Drink it fresh in order to get the maximum of its benefits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.